On this adventure, we explore the Western North Carolina Nature Center located in Asheville, North Carolina. Many of the roadways and buildings are still under repair from Hurricane Helene, which hit Asheville on September 27, 2024. Despite this, the Nature Center, which is operated by the City of Asheville, has made strides getting back into operation. The Nature Center reopened on March 17, 2025, and we are visiting a year later. So let the adventure begin.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to KB Adventures.
What's up, guys?
So for today's adventure, we're going to go to the Western North Carolina Nature Center here in Asheville, North Carolina. It's supposed to be a zoo. It's open up. It has black bears, cougars. We're going to see wolves. Let's go have fun.
Let's go.
And this is what we are doing today, guys. We are going to be at the Western North Carolina Nature Center in Asheville, North Carolina.
Salt lick.
I wanted to see like we got a Himalayan salt lick in the back. But we look like we got 3 little goats out here right next to the donkey. And a sheep. I almost missed the sheep. It's another goat in this circular pen, chilling. And we got Black Bear Ridge in the Southern Appalachians. How big is your paw? Life size. How big is your paw? It's much bigger than mine. Let's go. The river. Swananoa? That's the river that flooded and took out a lot of the road up in the front there from Hurricane Helene. The American black bear. Keep bears wild. Watch out for them feeding on your bird feeders. And there they are. Looks like we got bear number 2. Appalachian cats. I'm gonna assume we're gonna go see a cougar or 2. That's a bobcat. North Carolina's best zoos and aquariums. Only 8 facilities in North Carolina are accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, and it looks like this place is. I don't know if you can see this, guys, but we have a run, it looks like, or maybe a sidewalk. I don't know. It's kind of funny because it goes up to an enclosure and back down into an enclosure. Oh, guys. We got a sleepy bobcat. We got a sleepy bobcat. See, not all cats are the same. Not really. No, not all cats are the same. But here's another lazy one. And there's another one up there. They're both being lazy.
Diesel would fit right in.
He would fit in with the laziness. He woke up. He's looking at us now. Ooh, big stretch. Cougar. Oh man.
looks no different than Diesel.
He does look no. He does look no different than Diesel. He's just in there sleeping away and stretched and covered his eyeballs. He's like, leave me alone. Alright guys, so we've seen the black bears, we have the bobcats, we have cougars, coyotes, gray wolves, red wolves, the arachnid adventure, the red pandas, the fox and raccoons, and the otters, with exiting being the barn. Wolf talk. He's also taking a nap. Up in the very top up there. He's also taking a nap. Oh! Oh, that's awesome. Perimeter checks. We have a bat box. Wonder if there's any inhabitants in the bat box. Red wolves. Let's go see. Red wolves saved by zoo. Oh! They were declared in 1973. They were declared an endangered species, with less than 20 in the wild. We got a tracker. There's the gray wolf, guys. Well, we didn't see any red wolves. They weren't out. But he's out checking perimeters. There's no way you can mistake that for a dog. I'm sorry. He's much bigger than a German Shepherd. Not by much, but... Oh! A lone wolf. Nova, a non-releasable gray wolf, lost her brother to age-related illness in 2024. Her behavior is being watched closely and no decline in well-being has been observed. Due to their natural social structures and Nova's advanced age, bringing in another wolf could risk animal welfare. That's sad. She's by herself now. They didn't have... Up until 2007, they didn't have armadillos here? Okay. Lucky them. Okay guys, up by the window in the very top is a red panda. Another nap is commencing. We got another one taking a nap up at the top. He's a gray fox. We got nap time. We got all the woodpeckers. Woodpeckers of western North Carolina. All up in the tree. It seems we have found a black vulture, and he is looking at everything happening. Oh, where's his neighbor? Oh, his neighbor is a turkey vulture. Corn snake. Oh. We got a rat snake too. We got a pine snake. Right there.
Look, he's swimming. Like, what? I've never seen him move. Arlo, look. He probably doesn't have a lot. The only way that he can really hide from predators or protect himself is to hide. This guy's pretty slow and doing all that. We love his moving.
Easy squirrel. Buy something wild. I would definitely say that is wild. I can say I've never seen a vending machine with stuffed animals before. Alright guys, and that was it. Thanks for visiting the Western North Carolina Nature Center. Okay guys, and that was our day here at the North Carolina Nature Center in Asheville. I had a great time. I got to see black bears, I got to see pumbas, I got to see a wolf, I got to see lots of little animals having a nap. I mean, vultures, what was there more to love? And we even saw some of the damage, unfortunately, with Hurricane Helene as it comes through here, because this is right on one of the rivers. So anyway, I hope y'all had a great time. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more on KB Adventures. Bye!
Bye.